Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 26th of May 2021, Tuesday. It is class 11th, subject education, and today our topic is social aim of education. As you know, we are discussing the aims of education. Yesterday we discussed the importance of aims of education, and before yesterday we discussed the individual aim of education and the meaning of the aim. What is an aim? And today we are going to discuss the social aim of education. Dear students, the social aim is quite in opposition to the individual aim. Individual aim to social aim is bilkul opposite of this. The supporters of this aim believe that society is considered to be more important than the individual. Social aim is yim zana amik supporters in favor of social aim education tam wana कि society has as a whole ज़्यादा important ekis individual sin khot yani an individual is not as important as the society has ekis individuals banawa yani individual teli yel society kunu zunu akela hekne ye kihin kairat. They are of the view that man is a social animal. He develops his personality only in society. Ekis insan sınız şahsiyet çı develop gasan sirf tel yeli ekis society maz roz. Yani society çı zyada ehmiyet thavan. Yim zana social aim supporters çı yim çı kara zyada pahan em koy society deman zyada preference. He lives in society. Ye insan şu şahs şu society maz rozan acquires socialization. Achi socialize gasan through his contact with his family, god panis garas sait, his relatives, pat panin rishdaran sait, panin hamsayin, neighbors and friends. Yemen sait şu ralan contacts maz yaman di şu kençi iştemeniş heçan temş emis heçan. Zindagi guzarnik usul. He learns the ways of moving in society, of talking to people, of mutual behavior through these contacts. Moreover, through these contacts with others, satisfies his own physical and psychological needs. Yeli beyin sidi vatan behwan chu emis chu panin zururiyat ti pur gasan ishu mutmain gasan. Emis chu life hund so taste mahsus gasan. He cannot hope to exist outside society. Hence, it is desirable that education must have some social aim. What is the social aim of education? Let's try to understand it further. Social aim of education can be understood in two ways. Narrow meaning of social aim. Extreme form of socialism. In extreme form of socialism, narrow meaning of social aim is emphasized. The advocates of the social aim in its extreme form conceive that society or state is an idealized superhuman entity. Over and above the individual. Narrow meaning narrow meaning of social aim zyad preference society. You say individual emis यह तीज इम्पार्टेंस थवान कह इज सोसाइटी थवान. The individual is subordinated to the state. The state is the embodiment of reason, justice, and morality, and the individual is inferior to it in all respects. The state or society alone is the reality, and the individual is only a throb in the social pulse. It has a mission and destiny to fulfill, which is the good and greater glory of itself. Individuals of a particular state will have to sacrifice their own interests for the welfare of the state. The good of society and the state comes to be the summum bonum of life, and particularly of education. Education is seemed to be the most powerful means for the achievement of this end. It is the state which is expected to devise and enforce a rigid system of education. The state is supreme to lay down the curriculum and even to dictate the methods. In the words of Ross, the watch words are always discipline, organization, a willing acceptance of authority, a dumping down of individuality. The slogan is everything of the state, everything for the state, and everything by the state. The concept of state socialism and subordinating the individual to the state is not a modern concept. Such concept was held in ancient times by Sparta and the other states of Greece. Italy was its exponent in the medieval times. Hegel reviewed the same in his political theory and philosophy in the 18th century. Hitler, Mussolini, Stalin, and Mao have been its recent subscribers. Wider meaning of social aim is, or we can say this is a democratic view of the social aim of education. In democratic socialism, wider meaning of social aim is emphasized. The supporters of this aim contend that the purpose of education is to prepare the individual for successful participation in activities. The development of the individual should be secured to promote the welfare of the society. Individual development in no case should therefore interfere with or restrict the welfare of the society, of which he is component. In other words, democratic view of the social aim of education is to make the individual socially efficient for a democratic society. A socially efficient individual is one who is physically strong, intellectually enlightened, culturally refined, vocationally self-sufficient, and morally well-disciplined. A socially efficient individual, according to John Dewey, would be able to control his environment and fulfill his possibilities. He further adds, all education proceeds by participation of the individual in the social consciousness of the race. Social efficiency becomes the measure of man's success in life. It has come to stay as the be all and end all of education. Dear students, so this today we have discussed the social aim of education. Its two views: narrow meaning and wider meaning. Narrow meaning means yutu yot at status zyada society zyada preference yavan den society gets develop gasi individual gets pane develop em e bana individual chu panin yani individual chum sacrifice karan qurban karun for the sake of for the development of society. Yil zana wider meaning of social aims mo wachan chu democratic view of social aim chu atma chu mana ki individual hase gais develop gasun. Yel individual develop gais society gais pane develop. Basic unit chu society chu individual. Yel su develop gais so hase gais focus rozun. Tasın development gais focus. Yani su gais develop the society bane pane. This in wider meaning of social aim, an individual is preferred, and while as in narrow meaning of social aim, the society is preferred. May basic farak shat mujhe. Hope you will have understood the topic well. It is all for today. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.